Welcome back to Do Review. David O here today with your Mary Poppins Returns Blu-ray Buyer's Guide. Disney announced that the sequel to the 1964 classic starring Emily Blunt and Lin-Manuel Miranda would be making its way onto 4K Ultra HD and Blu-ray on March 19th. And here's a look at the included special features. And as far as retailer exclusives go, Best Buy will have a 4K SteelBook available, while Target will continue its trend of including an exclusive gallery book. And also releasing on March 19th is a Best Buy exclusive SteelBook of the classic Mary Poppins film. Whichever edition you decide to pick up, Mary Poppins Returns will be hitting home media on March 19th, and if you want to pick any of them up, there are links for you in the description. Thank you as always so much for stopping by. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all your future releases and unboxings. You can find me on all social medias at Do Review Movies, and as always, I'm David O, and we're done here.